Guys, don't mind the stuff in the background. Hold on. Yep, kind of. We got a messy space right now. I did not know the cameras could zoom out this far. We'll try to get that sink out of the way. You guys. Oh, we're not good. Okay, we're good. Fragrance tier list. Okay. Which one should we do first? Hold on. Wait, should I make a wheel? I'm gonna do that. Okay, BRB. Okay, I put them all on. Let's see which one we get. That's the one that we're starting with. Okay, we got Curve Cologne. Okay, so we got the Curve Cologne. Hold on. Okay, Curve Cologne. That's this one, I'm pretty sure. Spray it on a tester. I made these for some reason. I don't know why. I normally spray it into the cap, but I can't. Fire. It's not a bad cologne. It's not the best, so let me see where I put it on the tier list. Okay, I just made this tier list. So first one is we got Curve. So let's grab that. Where do we want that to be? Did a little bit small. Honestly, it's not a bad fragrance, but it's not like an everyday fragrance for me. So I'm gonna. Where do we want that? Not gonna lie. Honestly, for me, that's like a C tier. It's not like that bad. Bro, this is so weird. I'll go to C. Okay, we're good. Got the C tier. We're back to the wheel of names. Okay, let's go. Looks like we got her on. This one's atrocious. Okay. You know what? I don't care. We're going straight to this. Because that one, it smells like a little literal buns. Okay, it's not that bad though. Because there's stuff worse than that in my collection. Well, there's not really actually. But let's put that right on D tier. Okay. I would get that one about, it's like, I don't know, 5 out of 10. It's not that bad. It's not that good either. No. Oh. Oh, wait. Forgot to remove. Oh, yeah, Curve Cologne. Try to go on Curve Cologne. No. Tobacco one. Close it. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of tobacco one. We're also gonna get rid of Curve Cologne because we already landed on that. Okay. Okay. We got that one down. Now we're on to the we got this one. I really love this one. Like, look at this atomizer, bro. That's such a good atomizer. It smells a lot like tobacco, I'm not gonna lie. It smells like it's a summer scent. Well, not summer. I feel like it's a winter scent. It would have smell some vanilla, some A little bit of wood. What else do I smell? A little hint of pear. I don't know why. Hold on. Spit in the cap. Oh, that's toxic, bro. The air, nothing happens to it, but when I spray it on the stupid tester. Hold on. Yeah, I wear this one pretty often, not gonna lie. Okay. Honestly, this might be a D tier. It's a pretty good one. And it's like a random cologne. It's like not that much. Hey, we landed on this one, I think. Yeah. This one I already know because I told you guys. This is an easy B tier. Maybe even an A. I think it deserves an A, not gonna lie. It's a good one, bro. It's going A. I don't care. It's a good cologne. It's the only one that's really up there. I know. Okay. Ready? Where's the clothes at? Green with Asian writing on it. Okay. That would be, I think you guys. My camera wasn't clear, but now we're gonna test this one. Take a little tester from here. These. Oh, hold on. It's not just. I get some hint of lavender, lime. What is that? I know there's lavender. There's definitely lime. Some more citrus. The citrus. Come on, let me see if this changes at all. Oh. I just gotta hit a pear. Oh, okay. I just gotta hit a vanilla. That's a good cologne. I love that one. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna grade that. No. I have to do that thing. No. Okay. We landed on. Oh shit. Okay, we landed on this one. I think this is gonna go in E tier with curve because it's not that bad. Okay, I don't like. Oh, what did I do? Perfect. Oh shit. Cheese, bro. What? Okay. 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 Very good. Okay, we're back on this one. Let's see what we get. Yo, not gonna lie, I want to do one of the more expensive ones. I mean, don't mind how I spelt fierce, but... Oh, I had the bottle right there. Why? Why? Oh, it wasn't... Should we do both then? I mean, I was running out of time, so we're pretty good. That's perfect, actually. Fierce. But fierce. I haven't. This one's like fresh, bro. There's literally like I haven't used this one once. Oh my god, that smells good. Why haven't I used that? It's a good cologne. It's going beats here. I like that one. Oh, this one smells so good. I'm gonna try to spray it like. Damn, this one surprised me every time. It surprised me though. It's like the best one. Let me move this. There's more space for my. Okay. Okay, this is probably gonna go to the B tier. Both of them, not gonna lie. So yeah. Actually, I think Play's gonna go to. Fierce is gonna go to A. Play's gonna go to like them. Hold on. Let me check if I even recorded that. I was running out of time, so we're. Okay, yeah. I did record that. Okay. Now we're back on the. What did we land on? Fierce and Play? Yeah, okay. We just can't use a finger. Okay, so we landed on Fierce. Take Fierce. We're gonna move you up to A. Yeah. Did I put Tonic that high? Yeah. And I wanted to put Play in like. No. Okay. My dad's blasting Christmas music right now, bro. Yo. Make this bigger. Let's go. Okay. I'm running out of options, but we got like some pretty good ones. Let me keep this going. Let's see which one we get. Both of these are absolutely amazing. Polo double black. Let's go. This is an easy S tier. Polo double black. Yeah. Okay. This one, discontinued. Discontinued. Bring it back, Polo. Now. I should have censored that. I'm about to censor it. Okay. Take his tester. It slipped out my hands. Okay. I'm tweaking. Bro. Mango. Pepper. Mango, pepper, and as it goes in, coffee in Indonesian bag. Oh my god. S tier, give me S tier right now. Okay. These are so good, bro. Yes. E. See, S T, bro. Okay. Pull double black. I'm about to write the GOAT on this one. The second GOAT. You'll see what the third one is, but this one, easiest S tier of my life, bro. Now, let's keep going. On the wheel of Nan. We got Alligator Essentials. Okay. Alligator Essentials. Okay, this one doesn't. Okay, I'm glazing. This one smells. It's not. I feel like my dad would really like it because he gave it to me. He like really likes Acqua di Parma and that stuff, you know. This is. Yeah, this is a pull of them, but oh shit. Let me put this on. What are we doing? Oh, tweaking. It smells good, bro. Let me see what the atomizer looks like. Oh, wait. That looked kind of dog crap. Oh, okay, there we go. I just sprayed like it was looking a lot like the Mercedes. Looking a lot like the Mercedes Benz one. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna give that one a B. That's a C tier. That's a C tier. It's not that bad, but like it's like not the best. Okay. Fuck. Walking in a winter wonderland. Frick. That's one. Okay, you're tipped over. Doesn't matter. Okay. We're about to go to my favorite one. Okay, so stay tuned for that. Oh wait, I forgot to spin the wheel. I wonder what it's gonna be. Is it gonna be Jean Capote Lamar or Prada Le Parfum? Okay, guys, my brother's in the...
What are you doing?
I'm doing a tier list. I'm recording right now. Okay, stop mogging in my demeanor, bro.
What tier list?
We got Prada Le Parfum. Oh wait, I forgot to delete my fault. Ophi, stay tuned and look at the next. I'll show you the last. Prada, Ocean, Luna, Rosa, Le Parfum. My favorite cologne. Oh. Never mind. It's the best one. You know what? We should make an S plus tier. You go in that. I made a new tier for my. You're the GOAT. Woohoo! Yes. Okay. That's gonna have to do with today's video. Cologne tier list. That's gonna have to end with today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.